copper sulfate is a binary solution? Reason R. Copper sulfate solution contains two components, i.e. one solute copper sulfate and one solvent water. Both A and R are correct. B. Both A and R are wrong. C. A is correct, but R is wrong. D. A is wrong, but R is correct. Answer A. Both A and R are correct. Question 8. Assertion A. Water acts as a universal solvent. Reason R. Most of the substances are soluble in water. A. Both A and R are correct. B. Both A and R are wrong. C. A is correct, but R is wrong. D. A is wrong, but R is correct. Answer A. Both A and R are correct. Question 9. Assertion A. When blue vitriols are gently heated, it turns colorless. Reason R. It loses 5 water molecules and becomes anhydrous compounds. A. Both A and R are correct. B. Both A and R wrong is correct, but R is wrong. D. A is wrong, but R is correct. Answer A. Both A and R are correct. Question 10. Assertion A. Anhydrous calcium chloride is an example of a hygroscopic substance. Reason. Anhydrous calcium chloride changes its physical state on exposure to air. A. Both A and R correct. B. Both A and R are wrong. C. A is wrong, but R is correct. D is correct, but R is wrong. Here is the cleaned text with all meta-AI lines and timestamps removed. Extracted text. Cleaned. 1 question. The number of water molecules in blue vitriol is? Answer 5. 2. Question 24. The number of water molecules in magnesium sulfate heptahydrate is? Answer 7. 3. Question 25. Mass percentages to temperature. Answer independent. 4. Question 26. To qualify the solute in a solution, we can use the term. Answer concentration. 5. Question 27. Based on the amount of solute, the solution is classified into what types? Answer 3. Question 28. Zinc dissolved in copper is an example of Vogue solution. Answer solid in solid. 7. Question 29 is an example of gas in liquid. Answer carbon dioxide dissolved in water. 8. Question 30. And are in the form of solution to decide the physiological activity of human beings. Answer blood, lymph. Ashaf 3. Match the following question. 1. I. Sugar and water. B. Aqueous solution. T. Sulfur and carbon sulfide. D. Non-aqueous solution. E. The solubility of CaO. A. Exothermic process. I. Solubility of KNO3. C. Endothermic process. Question 2. I. Saturated solution. D. 36 grams of NaCl in water. I. Unsaturated solution. C. 10 grams of NaCl in water. E. I. Supersaturated solution. B. 56 grams NaCl in water. IV. Non-aqueous solution. A. Sulfur and acetone. Question 3I. Solubility of KNO3. C increases with increase in temperature. The solubility of CaO. A decreases with increase in temperature. The solubility of oxygen. D more in cold water. V. Solubility of CO2. B increases with increase in pressure. Question 4I. Mercury with sodium. B liquid in solid. E NaCl in water. C solid in liquid. CO2 in water. D gas in liquid. VIV. Water vapor in air. A liquid and gas. Question 5. Solubility, EaCO3, so A013, NH340H, A80, VCH2O's, B91. Question 6. I. Epsom salt, B. GSO7H2O, E. Green vitriol, D. VSO7H2O, E. White V. White vitriol, AZ KNSO7H2O, E. V. Silica Si, V. Silica gels Nash, IV. True or false? Corrected. 1. A solution is a heterogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances. False. It is a homogeneous mixture. 2. A solution contains 4 components. It is called a binary solution. False. 2 components form a binary solution. 3. The solution in which water acts as a solvent is called a non-aqueous solution. False. It is called an aqueous solution. 4. The solution of sulfur in CS2 is a suitable example of a non-aqueous solution. True. 5. Nitrogen in soil is an example of a supersaturated solution. False. It is a saturated solution. Here's the extracted text from all the images you uploaded. I have written it cleanly in order without missing anything. Extracted text from image 1. Pressure. Question 13. Ether act as a universal solvent. Answer. False. Correct statement. Water acts universal solvent. Question 14. Covalent compounds are soluble in water. Answer. False. Correct statement. Covalent compounds are insoluble in water. Question 15. 36 grams of sodium chloride in 100 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius forms a saturated solution. Answer. True. Question 16. 40 grams of sodium chloride in 100 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius forms an unsaturated solution. Answer, false. Correct statement. 40 grams of sodium chloride and 100 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius forms a supersaturated solution. Question 17. Aquatic animals live more in hot regions. Answer, false. Correct statement. Aquatic animals live more in cold regions. Question 18. Mass percentage is dependent of temperature. Answer, false. Correct statement. Mass percentage is independent of temperature. Question 19 from image 2. Question 6. The solubility of CuSO4 in H2O is 36 grams at 25 degrees Celsius. Answer, false. Correct statement. Solubility of QSO4 in H2O is 20.7 grams at 20 degrees Celsius. Question 7. 100 milliliters of water can dissolve 36 grams of NaCl at 25 degrees Celsius to attain saturation. Answer, true. Question 8. In an endothermic process, solubility decreases with increase in temperature. Answer, false. Correct statement. In an endothermic process, solubility increases with increase in temperature. Question 9. In an exothermic process, solubility decreases with increase in temperature. Answer, true. Question 10. The solubility of CaO increases with the increase in temperature. Answer, false. Correct statement. The solubility of CaO decreases with the increase in temperature. Question 11. The solubility of oxygen is more in cold water. Answer, true. Question 12. SO2 gas is filled in soft drinks using the effect of pressure. Answer, false. Correct statement. CO2 gas is filled in soft drinks using the effect of pressure. Hat from image 3. Hygroscopic substances do not change their physical state on exposure to air. Answer, true. Question 20. Deliquescent substances do not change their physical state on exposure to air. Answer, false. Correct statement. Deliquescent substances change its physical state on exposure to air. Tacker V. Assertion and reason. Question 1. Assertion A. Salt solution common salt dissolved in water is an example of a binary solution. Reason R. A solution with two components is called a binary solution. A. Both A and R are correct. B. Both A and R are wrong. C. A is correct but R is wrong. D. A is wrong but R is correct. Answer A. Both A and R are correct. Question 2A. Sugar in water is a true solution. Reason R. True solution is a homogeneous mixture that contains small solute particles that are dissolved throughout the solvent. A. Both A and R are wrong. Both A and R are correct. C. A is wrong but R is correct. D. A is correct but R is wrong. Answer B. Both A and R are correct. Question 3. Assertion. Solution of sulfur in CS2 is an example of a non-aqueous solution. Reason R. The solution in which any liquid other than water acts as a solvent is called the non-aqueous solution. A. Both A and R are correct. B. Both A and R are wrong. C. A is correct but R is wrong. D. A is wrong but R is correct. Answer R from image 4. Question 4. Assertion A. Solubility of KNO3 increases with increase in temperature. Reason R. Solubility of KNO3 is an endothermic process. A. Both A and R are wrong. B. Both A and R are correct. C. A is correct but R is wrong. D. A is wrong but R is correct. Hence both A and R are correct. Question 5. Assertion A. Aquatic species are more comfortable in cold water. Reason R. Solubility of oxygen is more in cold water. A. Both A and R are correct. B. Both A is correct but R is wrong. D. A is wrong but R is correct. And both are correct. Question 6. Assertion. CO2 gas is filled in soft drinks using the effect of pressure. Reason R. A decrease in pressure increases the solubility of a gas in a liquid. A. Both A and R are correct. Both N are wrong. C. A is correct but R is wrong. D. A is wrong but R is correct. Answer C. A is correct but R is wrong. Question 4. The solubility of ammonia gas at 25 degrees Celsius is A. 36 grams. B. 48 grams. C. 80 grams. D. 184 grams. Answer B. 48 grams. Question 5. Example for liquid in liquid binary solution is A. Copper dissolved in gold. B. Water vapor in the air. C. Ethyl alcohol dissolved in water. D. Sodium chloride dissolved in water. Answer C. Ethyl alcohol dissolved in water. Question 6. Which one of the following is an aqueous solvent? A. Benzene. B. Acetone. C. Alcohol. D. Water. Answer. D. Water. Question 7. Mass percentage of a solution is independent of A. Temperature. B. Amount of solute. C. Amount of solvent. D. Chemical nature of the solute. Answer. A. Temperature. Question 8. Solubility is equal to Answer. A 5 grams of sugar in 95 grams of water. Question 13. The water of crystallization present in white vitriol is A. 2. B. 7. C. 5. D. 24. Answer. B. 7. Question 14. Mass percentage is independent of A. Density. B. Volume. C. Pressure. D. Temperature. Answer. D. Temperature. Question 15. Volume percentage is expressed as A. V. V. B. with W. C. V. W. D. with V. Answer. A. V. V. Question 16. When the temperature increases, volume percentage A. increases. B. decreases. C. no change. D. increases then decrease. Answer. B. decreases. Question 17. The mass of sodium chloride needed to form saturated solution in 50 grams of water at 30 degrees Celsius. When the solubility of sodium chloride is 36 grams at 30 degrees Celsius is Here is the extracted text from the picture you uploaded. This text is from the image you just sent, white page with questions 9-12. Extracted text answer. C. Mass of the solute, mass of the solvent, test 100. Question 9. In which case solubility increases with increase in temperature? A. Endothermic process. B. Exothermic process. C. Both A and B. B. None of these. Answer. A. Endothermic process. Question 10. The factors which affect the solubility of a solute. A. Nature of the solute and solvent. B. Temperature. C. Pressure. D. All of these. All of these. Question 11. The effective pressure on the solubility of a gas in a liquid is given by A. Hess's law, Ohm's law, C. Henry's law, D. Gass's law. Answer C. Henry's law. Question 12. 5% sugar solution means A. 5 grams of sugar in 95 grams of water. B. 50 grams of sugar in 50 grams of water. C. 20 grams of sugar in 80 grams of water. D. 95 grams of sugar in 5 grams of water. A. 9 grams. B. 18 grams. C. 57 grams. D. 19 grams. Answer. B. 18 grams. Question 18. Zinc sulfate heptahydrate is also called as A. Blue vitriol. B. Epsom salt. C. Green vitriol. D. White vitriol. Answer. D. White vitriol. Question 19. Water of crystallization of blue vitriol is A. 1. B. 5. C. 4. D. 2. Answer. B. 5. Question 20. On heating copper sulfate pentahydrate crystals, A. Blue color changes into green. B. Green color changes into blue. C. Blue color changes into colorless. D. No color changes. Answer. C. Blue color changes into colorless. Question 21. Water of crystallization of Epsom salt is A. 1. B. 5. C4. D1. Here is your clean, corrected, and neatly formatted copied text with all answers aligned properly. And answer for the first statement, D7. Question 22. Hygroscopic substances are used as A. Drying agents, B. Hydrating agents, C. Freezing agents, D. Reducing agents. Answer, question 23. If two liquids are mutually soluble, they are called liquids. A. Miscible, immiscible, C. Insoluble, D. Viscous. Answer A. Miscible. Question 24. Aquatic species are more comfortable in cold water because of A. As the temperature decreases, the solubility of dissolved oxygen increases. B. As the temperature increases, the solubility of dissolved oxygen increases. C. As the temperature increases, the solubility of dissolved oxygen decreases. D. None of these. Answer A. As the temperature decreases, the solubility of dissolved oxygen increases. Question 25. The process of food assimilation by man is in the form of A. Solution, B. Solid, C. Solute, D. Solvent. Answer A. Solution. The line answer 36 grams per A 184 grams in your text seems misplaced and has been corrected. 2. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. A solution is a Gore mixture of two or more substances. Answer. Homogeneous. Question 2. Common salt dissolved in water is an example for solution. Answer. Binary. Question 3. In a solution, the component present in lesser amount is called and in larger amount is called. Answer. Solute. Solvent. Question 4. A solution in which water acts as solvent is called solution. A solution in which benzene acts as solvent is called GUR. Answer. Aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. Question 5. 20 grams of NaCl in 100 grams water is solution, unsaturated. Question 6. 36 grams of NaCl in 100 grams water at room temperature forms a solution. Answer, saturated. Question 35. The solubility of NaBr in H2O is A. 36 grams, B. 95 grams, C. 184 grams, D. 92 grams. Answer B. 95 grams, 36. The gas filled in soft drinks is A. O2, B. N2, C. CO2, D. H2. Answer C. CO2. Question 37. The solubility of KNO3 in water is in process. A. Exothermic, B. Endothermic, C. Isothermic, D. Adiabatic. Answer B. Endothermic. Question 38. The solubility of CaO in water is in a process. A. Exothermic, B. Endothermic, C. Adiabatic, D. Isothermic. Question 39. The solubility of NaI in water is A. 184 gram, B. 92 grams, C. 95 grams. Answer A. 184 gram. Question 26. Common salt in water is an example of A. Colloidal solution, B. Binary solution, C. Suspension, all the above. Answer B. Binary solution. Question 27. 36 grams of NaCl in 100 gram water is a Gore solution. Non-aqueous, B. Unsaturated, C. Supersaturated, D. Saturated. Answer D. Saturated. Question 28. Nitrogen in soil is an example of a solution in nature. Saturated, B. Unsaturated, C. Supersaturated, D. Aqueous. Answer A. Saturated. Dry. Question 29. The solubility of CuSO in H2O at 20 degrees Celsius, A. 36 grams, B. 20.7 grams, C. 10 grams, D. 95 grams. Answer 20.7 grams. Question 30. The solubility of NaNO3 in 100 grams water at 20 Celsius, A. 36 grams, B. 95 grams, C. 184 grams, D. 92 grams. Answer D. 92 grams. Question 31. Which of the following affects solubility? Temperature, B. Nature of solute and solvent, C. Pressure, D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 32. In process, solubility increases with increase in temperature. A. Exothermic, B. Endothermic, C. Isothermic, D. Adiabatic. Answer B. Endothermic. Question 33. In process, solubility decreases with increase in temperature. Exothermic, B. Adiabatic, C. Endothermic, D. Isothermic. Answer A. Exothermic. Question 34. Increase in scores increases the solubility of gases. A. Temperature, B. Pressure, C. Number of moles, D. Concentration. Answer. Pressure.